Holy crud nuggets, guys. Good morning. Happy dash cam commute with Mrs. Gray. It is Thursday and it's a rainy day in Wisconsin and I am so sleepy, okay? Let me just share that right now. I'm so freaking exhausted. It's 7:12, whatever. I hate waking up so dang early. Like, I'm in a grouchy mood right now, as you can tell. My mood fits the weather. Let's be real, folks. Let's be freaking real. I'm so goddamn tired of fucking waking up early. Like, I'm sorry. You know, I'm trying to be positive a lot, but can I just, like, live my life? Like, why didn't I save money the way I should have? You know, I'm kicking myself. If you young folks are listening to this, start saving your money. Start saving your retirement money so you can actually freaking stop working at an early age and enjoy your life and not have to work all your dang life. I mean, it's obviously, if you don't work, what are you going to do with yourself, right? You're going to be bored, I guess. Unless you're, like, super uber wealthy and you can just, like, travel wherever. I guess, like, working, I mean, it's not bad. Like, I love my job. I really do. Like, I love this new job of mine. I just hate waking up so dang early because I can't sleep. I don't know what my deal is. I should be going to bed like at 8. Maybe if I wake up and I start exercising in the morning, then I'll be really, really tired by the time I get home and then I'll go to sleep, right? Just thought about that. We shall see. Anywho, well, not sure what else I have to say because I'm the grouch today. So I guess lesson for today: save your money so you don't have to be grouchy and work when you're old, and you can enjoy your retirement at an early age. So you can actually live life and enjoy it, and not be like 70, 80 years old while you're finally retiring. So yeah. Anywho, have a blessed Thursday, folks. Be careful on the roads. Peace and love. Bye.